Big breaking news, the US has doubled tariffs on Indian imports to as much as 50%. This is a major blow to exporters, traders, and markets worldwide. Here's what's happening, why it matters, and what lies ahead. The US implemented a 25 percentage point increase atop the existing 25% tariff, pushing duties on many Indian goods to roughly 50% as of August 27, 2025. That 25-point increase is applied on top of the prior 25% baseline, a dramatic escalation for exporters. The move hits goods already en route and new orders alike. Washington says the hike is punitive, a response to India's continued imports of Russian oil. The US argues those imports indirectly help fund Moscow's war effort. Officials framed the tariff as leverage to change sourcing behavior. The tariffs hit a broad array of Indian exports, starting with apparel and textiles, gems and jewelry, footwear and furniture, chemicals, and seafood like shrimp. About two-thirds of US-bound Indian exports, roughly $87 billion, are affected. Analysts warn up to 2 million jobs could be affected, especially in export hubs like Gujarat. Exports in impacted sectors could fall as much as 70%, cutting US-bound shipments by over 40%. India's GDP growth may lose around 1 percentage point. Equities and the rupee have already reacted. The immediate hit is cash flow pressure for exporters and broader investor uncertainty. New relief packages are being rolled out. Financial aid, credit lines, and export support. Officials are pushing diversification, targeting markets like the UK, Australia, and the UAE. There's also a renewed push for domestic reform and strengthening local industry. The tariffs have strained US-India ties. Negotiations stalled after multiple failed rounds. Experts warn India may deepen ties with China and Russia, shifting regional balance. That could complicate US influence across Asia. To wrap up, 50% tariffs, major trade and job disruption, and a tense diplomatic horizon. How should India respond? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more trade explainers.